Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to film a prom vlog because I am going to prom tomorrow, and I look that musty because I have like a whole moisturizing face mask on. I will put the link in the description of what face mask I use because I don't have it with me right now. I was gonna say the name, but I forgot. It's like some I don't even know, but yeah, it's a moisturizing face mask and I'm supposed to sleep with it, so that's why I have it, and it makes my face look mad greasy. But yeah, so prom is in 1 day, and well, tomorrow, and I still have to, it's like what time is it? It's like 12:30 at night and I'm still awake because I was doing a lot of stuff. I was taking care of my hair, so I braided my hair down. Well, my cousin braided my hair down for me, and so now I put the cap. I'm probably gonna go to school like this, honestly. I don't even care. And I put the cap so I can sleep so it doesn't get messed up. And I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow. And then I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna put my hair, and then dress, and then yeah, the whole experience. I'm probably gonna have a couple of friends come over so we can go together. So there's that too. And I think that is it. What else do I have to do? Tomorrow I still have to go to school because you have to be at school on the day of prom, so you can go to prom, otherwise you can't go. So yeah, it's like they make you go to school. And then I have like a big exam tomorrow also, so I've been studying for that. That's why it's like 12 o'clock and I'm still awake. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish studying in like 5 minutes. I want to say 5-ish minutes, and I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm gonna wake up and update you guys on what I will be doing throughout the day. I'm gonna try my best because I don't really vlog. I'm probably gonna forget, but if I do, I'll try to update you guys. So yeah, half asleep. Oh my god. Whew, guys, this is my first time trying this face mask. I put it all in my neck. That's why I have this weird white line. So I just want like all of the moisture, you know. So yeah, this is my first time trying it. We'll see if it doesn't like give me mad pimples, but yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow in my next clip. Bye.
It's good if she's in the room.
Say hi to YouTubes.
Yeah.
Hi to the YouTubes.
The YouTubes?
Yes. Shauna.
Yeah. Yo! We're out. Judmin, come here, come here, come here, come here. We're out. Oh, that is prom preview right there, my
Let's see your nails, sister.
Oh,
She cute or whatever. Let me see yours. Woo! Let me see you.
ain't done yet. Same, sis, same. recording now.
Welcome to my mukbang. What is it called? Mukbang. That's
What?
it's called. Welcome to my mukbang.
What?
I look really blunt right now.
Yeah, it's this light.
Did you pull it forward?
No.